Krishna Hari. As you can see, finally Sant Gyaneshwar Maharaj Palki has been arrived. The entire area that has been turned into sea of devotion. As you can see, the Palki is coming forward. Wherever you can look, thousands of varikars are walking with the saffron flags, playing with drums and chanting Vithala Vithala. Despite walking for several days, there is no sign of tiredness on their faces. Their faith is stronger than the rain, the long journey, and the huge crowds. Even you can see the police security and the traffic personnel is seen over there. As you can see, CP Amitesh Kumar, Manoj Patil sir, and other police personnel are over there, as you can see over there, and lakhs of crowds can be visible over there. From here, both the palkis, as we have seen earlier, Sant Tukaram Maharaj Palki have been crossed right here, and the same belongs to Sant Gyaneshwar Maharaj Palki that is now crossing from the Sancheti Hospital over here on the JM Road. Now these both the palkis will continue through FC Road, Good Luck Chowk, Garware Bridge and Lakshmi Road before reaching their traditional halls. Sant Gyaneshwar Maharaj Palki will halt at Palki Vitthal Temple in Bhawanipet, where Sant Tukaram Maharaj Palki will halt in Nivdunga Vitthal Temple in Nanapet. For every varikar here, there is much more than a journey. It is a tradition and emotion, a symbol of love. As you can see over there, even as you can oversee over there, we can see like you can oversee like CP Amitesh Kumar, Manoj Patil sir, and other members have been seen over there, and you can see over there the long stretch where the varikars have been seen over there with the saffron flags over there. And even along with that, heavy police security, traffic personnel has been seen over there. As you can see, CP Amitesh Kumar has been seen where in the palki offering the garlands and doing the rituals over there. As soon as seen, as we can see over there right, CP Amitesh Kumar has been moving towards the palki and taking the palki forward to the other routes as well. As we can see, a huge number of crowd has been seen over here. Now this palki of Sant Gyaneshwar Maharaj will be heading towards FC Road, Good Luck Chowk and Garware areas and other things of that. Now we have to see, as these palki has been moved forward, we have to look. As we have seen towards the long stretch, we have been seen with the saffron flags, the varikars has been seen over there, and now we'll be heading towards the other routes. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.